That's interesting. There's nothing going on.
We have tape. Sticky, strong tape.
10-5, file loading, file name, Canada National Alert July 120, time, July 1st, 2020, 5:00 p.m. Toronto time, analyzing file will play now.
This message was from the Canadian government. Event type, attack, meaning an attack is in progress for our country. There are 3 super nukes heading towards this country. The first one can spread up to 100 miles and it will hit Ottawa in 40 minutes. The second one can spread up to 350 miles and will hit Toronto, Ontario in 1 hour and 25 minutes. The third one is the deadliest, with it spreading up to 500 miles and it will hit Montreal, Quebec in 3 hours. Pack stuff that will last weeks, if not months, of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio to tune into the situation. Seek a nearest fallout shelter. If there is no fallout shelter, seek an underground basement immediately and close and seal all cracks, doors, and windows. Fallout is a deadly spread that could cause radiation sickness or death. Make your shelter as comfortable as possible because you will have to stay in there for weeks, if not months. Tune into updates as they follow.
Ce message venait du gouvernement canadien. Type d'événement, attaque signifiant qu'une attaque est en cours pour notre pays. 3 missiles nucléaires se dirigent vers ce pays. Il y a 3 super armes nucléaires en direction de ce pays. Le premier peut s'étendre jusqu'à 100 000 et il frappera Ottawa dans 40 minutes. Le deuxième peut s'étendre jusqu'à 350 000 et frappera Toronto, Ontario en 1 heure et 25 minutes. Le troisième est le plus meurtrier avec un écart de 500 miles et il frappera Montréal, Québec dans 3 heures. Emportez des trucs qui dureront des semaines, voire des mois, de la nourriture, de l'eau, des vêtements, des fournitures médicales et une
That's in the alert tone. That's the real one. The siren's on top of that silo. I found the siren. That's the sign over there. It's on top of that silo over there, the siren.